You know, bananas are one of those everyday fruits we rarely think twice about. They're cheap, they taste good, and they're available everywhere. But what many people don't realize is that bananas are packed with nutrients that can help you relax, sleep better, and support your overall health. Today, we're going to explore why bananas are so powerful, how they calm your body, who should be careful with them, and the best and worst food combinations to pair them with. Bananas for relaxation and sleep. Bananas contain inulin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds the good bacteria in your gut. And because the gut and brain are closely connected, a healthy gut makes it easier for your body to relax and fall asleep. They also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that turns into serotonin, your natural feel-good, calm-down chemical. Later, that serotonin becomes melatonin, the hormone that signals your body that it's time to sleep. On top of that, bananas are rich in potassium, which helps relax muscles and reduce nighttime tension. All of this makes bananas a simple, yet effective way to support deeper, more restful sleep. Weight management and energy balance. Bananas stabilize blood sugar and keep you full longer, which naturally supports weight control. Their potassium strengthens muscle function, and their fiber helps improve metabolism. This makes bananas a surprisingly effective fruit for maintaining healthy energy levels and supporting weight management. Not for everyone. Even though bananas are incredibly nourishing, they can feel heavy for some people. Bananas have a cooling nature, so if you have a weak digestive system, a cold stomach, or tend to feel bloated easily, you may experience discomfort, especially if the banana is cold from the fridge. If that sounds familiar, try eating bananas at room temperature or warming them slightly. Some people even massage the banana gently before peeling it to soften the fibers and make it easier to digest. Food combination section. Good combination: bananas, cinnamon. Cinnamon warms the body while bananas naturally cool it. Together, they balance digestion, improve nutrient absorption, stabilize blood sugar, and support smooth energy levels. This pairing works great in smoothies, snacks, or simple toppings. Good combination: bananas, yogurt, or kefir. Bananas provide prebiotics, while yogurt and kefir supply probiotics. Together, they strengthen the gut microbiome, boost immunity, support digestion, and promote deeper, more restful sleep. It's gentle on the stomach and ideal for breakfast or light snacks. Bad combination: bananas, peanuts. Both bananas and peanuts produce gas during digestion. When they're eaten together, they can cause fermentation in the gut, which often leads to bloating, heaviness, or discomfort. People with sensitive digestion are especially likely to feel the effects. Bad combination: bananas, cold weather. Bananas are cooling in nature. Eating too many in cold seasons or when your body already feels cold can slow digestion and weaken your digestive fire. This may lead to sluggish digestion or cold stomach symptoms. How to choose and eat bananas. The best bananas are bright yellow with small brown speckles. This is when the nutrients are fully developed and easiest to absorb. Green or underripe bananas are harder to digest and less nutritious. Most people do well with one banana per day. If you exercise often, two can be perfectly fine. Final wrap-up. So, to sum it up, bananas calm your mind, help you sleep, support digestion, aid in weight management, and nourish your muscles. But how you eat them and what you pair them with makes a big difference. Good combination: banana cinnamon, banana yogurt kefir. Bad combination: banana peanuts, banana cold weather. Understanding these simple combinations helps you get the most out of this incredibly common yet surprisingly powerful fruit.